Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the front main seal on the 90 Toyota. So the first thing you start off with is draining the radiator, and then you're going to pull the fan off and then all the belt. And then you make sure you get these pulleys off. So if you're struggling with getting the seal to stay in, if you kind of hold this in place and push it on it, and then you hit it with a dead blow hammer, it'll kind of push it in. And then now we're going to put it in timing belt on. Once you get the timing all back in place, put the covers back on. Make sure you clean off all this RTV. Thanks again for watching, and that's how you change out the front main seal. Catch you guys in the next videos.